It would be remiss of me not to mention the ongoing test series between the West Indies and Bangladesh, especially in a context where the West Indies are one up in the two test series with the second game to be played right here at Sabina Park. I'm trying to remember the last time a test match was played in Jamaica. And you know, it no matter how bad West Indies cricket is, a test match at Sabina Park, especially following a win, that is always special. There's one elephant in the room though. West Indies coming to Sabina, and there are no Jamaicans in the team. Back in the days when we had big test cricket stars, that would be a major factor. Home territories normally feast on the popularity of the local star players. The selectors would sometimes pander to that reality. At the moment though, which Jamaican star could be selected to draw a crowd at Sabina Park? Cartel or LA Lutz?